because the Minister of Health on Tuesday announced the escape of 4 out of 140 passengers who arrived in the country with SN Brussels on Monday. This incident took place while health officials were working on the safe and orderly transfer of all passengers from the Banjul International Airport to the various quarantine facilities within the Greater Banjul area. Well, as Minister of Health, Dr. Amadou Lamin Samate spoke to iAfrica TV on the phone earlier today, health authorities have since been relying on the legal mandate to enforce the obligatory quarantine of the law arrivals from Europe.
Yeah, they have actually been taken back. It was the first option is to trace them and then take them back to the quarantine, take them to the quarantine center. That's the first option, and that has already taken place, as I am aware. Yeah, people need to understand the Public Health Regulation, the Public Health Act. The Public Health Act empowers government, the Public Health Director, the Director of Health Services to act decisively in circumstances like this when the population, when the public is at risk.
Now, one of the returnees, Jamugai, explained the condition of the quarantine center as unbearable as there is lack of basic facilities such as water.
My name is Jamugai. I'm from the United States. I'm working with the Norwegian Cruise Line. We came here like the day before yesterday, last night. You understand? We came with SN Brussels. We landed at the Banjul International Airport like 8:10, 8:50. You understand? Then from there, we were taken from the airport to our various hotels in the Gambia. We are very unfortunate that we are brought here into this hotel by the name Tropic Garden Hotel. You understand? So since we came here, the logistics and all what we have been told is not happening here. From the rooms, the food is a little bit better. We understand we are all Africans, Gambians for that matter. We can take the food. But the problem is like the housings. We were told by the people working down here that they take out the fridges, they take out the TVs, they take out everything before our arrivals. You expect somebody who comes only from US, Europe, and they like been there for a number of years or months. You come here under these hot conditions. You expect to have your lunch, your breakfast with a single gallon of water. That's the 1 liter that they give us.
The Minister of Health responded that the quarantine situation in the Gambia is much better than those of her sister countries in the sub-region and beyond, and that the safety of the public should be considered primary goal.
Yeah, but I think I had said this before. Generally speaking, quarantine is not easy thing for the people who are going there. People who want to be with their families, they are in their home and they go and spend 2 weeks away from home. It's not easy. We understand. COVID-19 is stressful for everyone. We all know that. It is stressful for even the officials. You know, these are unprecedented times and we appeal for their tolerance. I think that is manageable. Now, of course, we have to also look at it in the context of other countries. And I keep on saying this. Some other countries have taken their citizens to less favorable places. Some even have taken their citizens to schools. But we said, no, we value the Gambians and then we respect them. We will sacrifice. We will do whatever we can do to give them a comfortable quarantine period as much as possible.
The Gambia have so far registered 41 cases of the coronavirus since its outbreak in March this year. 2 have died and 13 of mainly imported cases are currently undergoing treatment.